Hi, my name's Mark Pennine. I'm the Towel & Stone Technical Manager for ARDEX. Today I'd like to introduce the need for speed tiling systems. As the tile industry begins to ramp back up, you're faced with challenging turnaround times, but ARDEX is here to help. These tiling systems allow you to prep and tile in as little as 12 hours. For priming, the ARDEX P4 pre-mixed rapid drying multi-purpose primer allows you to install self-leveling underlayments in as little as 30 minutes or less. ARDEX Liquid BACKERBOARD self-leveling underlayment is ready to receive tile in just 6 hours. For your tile installations, ARDEX S28 Rapid Set Super Format Tile and Uncoupling Membrane Mortar allows you to grout in as little as just 4 hours. To complete your tile installation, always use the ARDEX FL Rapid Set Sanded Grout. It's open to traffic in just 90 minutes. ARDEX Need for Speed tiling systems gives you a smooth, flat substrate, allowing you to complete your installation as quickly as possible. Please contact your sales pro at the number on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.